Born on April 16, 1889, in London, England, Charlie Chaplin dawned into a world of performance and hardship. Chaplin's early years were embroiled in poverty, which shaped his view of the world and influenced his comedic style. Despite the struggles, the aura of performance was a family affair, with both of his parents being entertainers. He took to the stage early on, showcasing a natural talent that would burgeon into a career unlike any other. Chaplin's journey took him to America, where his performances in vaudeville hinted at the bright future ahead. The turning point came with his creation of the Tramp, an iconic character that won hearts worldwide. His work in silent film was revolutionary, blending comedy with poignant social commentary. Films like The Kid, The Gold Rush, and City Lights are etched in the annals of cinematic history, showcasing Chaplin's brilliance. Chaplin co-founded United Artists, pioneering a system allowing artists control over their work. His boldness to tackle controversial topics was exemplified in The Great Dictator, a film mocking fascism. Faced with the advent of sound in movies, Chaplin adapted, yet he cherished the silent medium where his genius first flourished. During the McCarthy era, his political beliefs and personal life subjected him to controversy and scrutiny. This resulted in his resettlement in Switzerland, away from the turmoil of the United States. He was eventually welcomed back to the U.S., where he received an honorary Academy Award for his immeasurable contributions to cinema. Chaplin's art transcended the screen, influencing artists and filmmakers for generations to come. As a composer, he left behind musical masterpieces, some of which were recognized with Academy Awards. Chaplin's death on December 25, 1977, marked the end of an era, but his work continues to live on. He was knighted by Queen Elizabeth II, an honor highlighting his cultural impact and iconic status. Today, Chaplin remains a global symbol of the silent film era, and an emblem of the power of humor and humanity. His influence persists, seen in the works of contemporary filmmakers and performers, who still draw inspiration from his ingenuity. That was a glimpse into Charlie Chaplin's life. Comment to suggest new story. Share, like and follow for more.